Good morning, everyone. On behalf of ETH, I would like to welcome you all to Somani Presents Economic Times Architecture and Design Summit. Today's student workshop is brought to you by Green Lamp. We are proud about this initiative, which involves students, as we believe that students are future of architecture and design. I would now like to invite Sunita Kodris, Business Head, Times Conference Limited, to please come on the stage for the welcome address.
Good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to the Economic Times Architecture and Design Summit Student Workshop. In fact, we do a lot of conferences in Delhi, and I'm quite surprised to see such a strong audience sitting here by 9:45 in the morning. Generally, we don't have audience coming in till around 10:30. So that's a positive sign. I think all of you are used to getting to classes in time, right? So that's something great. Well, I don't want to take too much of your time because this platform here is meant for you all to learn something. And I'm sure you all would prefer the experts talking rather than me. But I just want to kind of take 2 minutes to recap our journey on A&D. So when we initiated A&D last year, our objective was very clear. We said we need to reach out to as many cities as possible. We need to encompass all stakeholders that make this design community complete. So last year, we took A&D to 4 cities in the West, culminated it in a large conference in Mumbai. We added a unique feature last year. We had a gathering of women architects where we kind of recognized the important role of women in the business. And we were very clear that second year onwards, students are a very important part of this whole ecosystem, and we should do something with the student community. And with that came our student workshop, which was designed. Some of our critical partners were part of this entire planning stage. Somani came in with this brilliant idea. Green Lamp supported us in this brilliant idea. So both our partners have played a critical role in ensuring that this workshop here is successful. I do hope that as the day progresses, you all get some clear insights into your reasoning for attending here. And if you all are not very clear, if you all have any queries, please feel free to contact all the trainers who will kind of give you all a download even at a later stage. I'm sure an email to them would work wonders. Just wanted to add the last thing that we've initiated for the student community. We have a Student Excellence Award that was initiated this year. We had an excellent response. We had around 50 colleges that participated. We do hope that next year this grows in numbers. We do hope that this award is looked forward to by the student community in the coming years. So thank you.